you believe this house is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2249 square feet? They're asking 1.4 million. I ran the comps and they're almost $2 million.
Oh my gosh. The prices here are crazy.
The value is so high here that we can spend a lot of money.
We can do whatever we want.
Corona Del Mar is a fun upscale beach town and high design is a must here.
You know what this means for me?
Huh.
I can finally get out of the discount tile aisle. I've been preparing for this my whole life.
You haven't been in the discount tile aisle in years. What I'm talking about is this entire patio gone, rebuilt. Maybe we put in some bifold doors right here, some big glass doors. Open this up this way.
Yeah.
Like your
some
moonwalk?
indoor, outdoor. Yeah.
Indoor, outdoor living. To rip out this patio, do new glass railing, a fire pit. What are they, 10, 15?
It might be a little bit more because just the door itself is $1,000 a foot.
So right here alone is
You're
probably
like 20,000.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
All right, let's go inside.
Oh, he said he started work. He didn't say he demoed the house.
Oh God.
This is a nice room. It's like entertainer's room.
This is a very awkward part of the house. Why are all these gaps right here?
Oh, wow.
Is that weird? Oh.
Why is it? There's a window.
There's a window that's looking into the wall from inside the house. It's kind of funky.
I mean, like this has to go. Is this load bearing, Izzy?
You see that ceiling joist right there?
Yeah.
Yep. So that will tell us that it's not load bearing.
So this is a big win already off the bat. So in here, like custom kitchen, high-end appliances, 25 grand. What are you laughing at?
Just the appliances are gonna be like 15 grand.
How much?
60 to 65 grand.
There's a lot of money.
You gotta mess with all of this different
these
height ceiling.
soffits.
It's gonna cost you money.
You have to.
All right.
This is a weird staircase.
It's weird because this stupid railing like bows out.
So in here?
Yeah, I guess you're starting here.
Okay. This is a big room. Is this a closet?
It's just like a sitting area.
This bedroom has a patio.
Well, it doesn't have a view, but I mean, nice space.
And then there's a bathroom. Okay.
So these 2 bedrooms right here share this bathroom.
Okay, so there's 4 bedrooms?
No, there's 1, 2, 3.
So there's 3 bedrooms.
Yeah.
This must be the primary bedroom.
This sucks.
Is there a way that we could create like a
here.
really nice like picture window out of here?
This whole thing would have to be ripped out.
That's the front of the house you were
Yeah.
talking about.
Yeah, like we need to do structural with this house.
Oh, there's your window. Looking
no.
into nothing.
So on the other side of this window, that's the house.
What the heck? Seriously, what do you do here? This is a $2 million bathroom?
Can you just take a closer look so we can get a more accurate bid?
And we're gonna do everything on this, right?
Imagine we're going all in.
Okay.
Even with everything going on, we spent a couple $100,000. It's got to be a $2 million place. I mean, maybe even 2.1.
Hey guys,
Hey.
Israel, we were just talking about our lovely house here.
I don't know about that. Hey guys, is it like bad news?
well, it's a lot of house. The bones are good. Your plumbing's good, your electrical is good, but you're gonna have to touch every part of the house. Siding, the hardscape, every finish.
What are we looking at?
I would say 350.
Do we want to mess with this house?
You're usually spending what, $50 a square foot?
About 60 bucks a foot.
You're gonna spend at least about 150 bucks a square foot here.
So 350. I will let you know.
All right,
I'll call you later.
I would love to do this one.
You do it for 2?
I'll see you later, man.
He'd love to do it, but not that much.
All right, so okay, let's talk about the numbers really quick. He's asking 1.4. If we paid 1.4 for the house, we put 350 into it. That puts us at $1,750,000, right? $1,750,000. We have about 80,000 in selling costs and closing costs, which means the break-even is going to be $1,830,000.
Okay.
So if we exit at $2 million, there's a pretty good profit margin. But if anything goes wrong, that profit margin is going to go like that.
Right.
Because it's not like a normal flip where a mistake happens and we lose $5 grand.
Yeah, yeah.
If we make
It's very
mistakes here, we're
important,
going to lose 100,000.
Yeah, yeah. That's what you want to do.
I'm going to offer 1.3.
All right, I hope we get it.
I know.
It's gonna be so fun.
Of course, we've never done a house like this.
And
It'll be a
it's like
first for
5
us.
minutes from the house.
It is nice. The seller wouldn't budge, so we paid full price and we got the house for $1.4 million. If we're gonna push the value above $2 million, we have a lot of work to do. at that kitchen.
Those cabinets are beautiful. I love the white oak over here, too.
Oh, that looks great. Hey, Izzy, you have the backsplash?
I do. I have plenty of it.
Does it look nice?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But look, I mean, it's gonna be all the way even over here, wrapping the windows.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
All right, well, it looks good.
Look, the doors are in.
That's right.
The doors are in. We are getting fancy.
Hi.
Hey, just in time. What do you think?
Did you add some gray brick to it?
Huh?
You know, when I was looking at the sample, I thought it was just all gonna be bright white. I didn't know it was gonna have variation. There's a lot of gray in it. I feel like it's really dark. I think we need to paint it all white. What are we looking at?
About 3 G's.
Oh. We gotta do it.
Okay, we'll get it done.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that looks good.
Remember before this was all brick?
I remember.
Adding the smooth stucco, adding the glass, the fire pit, these amazing light gray tiles, the black paint. It makes you want to hang out outside, which, you know, that's what we were going for, the indoor-outdoor feel.
We added these special doors. Look at that, indoor-outdoor California living.
It looks incredible.
This house is beautiful.
This looks awesome. How cute is this sitting area?
What a difference, my God.
The staging looks amazing.
It looks so good. I mean, the design is great, but what we did with the layout is definitely the biggest change. Removing the wall right here, open up the space. I dig it.
It really had kind of an 80s type floor plan. It was a little bit awkward, and we just totally modernized it. It's super open. We spent some extra money painting this brick bright white, but it was worth every penny.
I can see someone entertaining in the kitchen, watching a sports game in the back patio.
This house just has that like coastal hangout vibe that makes you never want to leave.
Yeah. Oh, look at that fancy accent wall. Came out nice.
That looks amazing.
And here, we did the addition, so we expanded the size of this room, and now we have a full bedroom and a private bathroom.
I love the tiles that we chose, and I love that each bathroom is unique. This room is awesome as well.
This came out amazing.
The shower tile looks amazing. Huge shower.
Look at the size of this patio.
Oh, so cute. They made it into a little yoga area.
That is cute.
I love that.
I kind of dig how this one has the stairs to enter.
I love this entrance, the little cute coffee bar, all this storage, and oh my gosh, this looks incredible.
So before you would enter the bathroom here, and then the closet was here, and then you could come over here. Remember, you could actually look downstairs?
Yeah, that was really awkward. We also created a balcony.
Yeah, we did.
And oh my gosh, this looks incredible.
Oh, this shower is nice. I like this. This looks good.
This vanity, oh my gosh, it looks incredible.
All right, what are we gonna list this thing for? We paid $1.4 million for the house. Originally, we thought we were gonna spend $350,000 to fix it up. We spent just over $482,000.
Whoa.
Almost $500,000 on this place.
That's the most we've ever spent, right?
Oh, by far. Because the price tag is gonna be so high, we're looking at about $110,000 in closing costs and commissions. So our break even is $1,992,000.
Whew.
Prices have gone up. Interest rates are low, supply is low, demand is high. I have comps on the low end 2.2, on the high end 3.2. I mean, I'm thinking we can maybe come in at $2,699,000.
We are in a very desirable neighborhood, so you never know.
2,699?
Let's give it a shot.
Buyers are very discriminating at this price point, and although we've had a ton of interest, we haven't received an offer. I'm still super confident that we're gonna sell for our asking price of $2.7 million and maybe even more. When that happens, we're gonna make our biggest profit ever, over $706,000. Before we're out of this house, Heather was dying to see it.
Oh my God, I love it.
You like it?
Wow, babe. It's so open and I love the light floors. It makes everything look bigger.